Hello dear students, this is the revision lecture for class 9th physics. In this lecture, we will solve numerical based on acceleration and retardation. And just before solving the acceleration and retardation, I will remind you what is the concept of acceleration and what is the concept of retardation. Acceleration means simply whenever velocity changes. Suppose u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity. Then final minus initial, that is change in velocity. Whenever velocity changes with respect to time, then the ratio v minus u upon t is defined as acceleration. A is equal to v minus u upon t. In short way, we can define the time rate of change of velocity is defined as acceleration. Just opposite of this, whenever velocity decreases, here velocity increases. Suppose u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity, that means greater u initial and v final velocity. Under condition v is greater than u, then this is defined as what? Acceleration. T is the time taken. When the velocity of body decreases with respect to time, then retardation, symbol also A, but always negative sign, is equal to v minus u upon t, and whenever we take minus, then u minus v upon t. That is the concept of final minus initial. Whenever minus common, then greater value minus smaller value. Here in this case, that is u is greater than v. This is the case for retardation. It means the case in which we are applying brake and then the motion of the body opposes by brakes, then the acceleration produced in the body is said to be what? Retardation. By using these two concepts, we will solve the numericals. Now just see what is the concept of numericals. First numerical given here: a bus increases its speed from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 10 seconds. Then calculate its acceleration. Solution of this: first, initial speed u is equal to 36 km per hour. Here time given in 10 seconds, means seconds. So convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second by multiplying a factor 5 upon 18. This one becomes what in meter per second? It is equal to 10 meter per second. Why this one taken? Because 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 upon 18 meter per second. When this convert kilometer into meter and hour into second, then 1000 upon 3600. 1000 upon 3600 becomes what? 5 upon 100 meter per second. And v is equal to 72 km per hour. That is equal to 72 into 5 upon 18 is equal to what? 18 4 is 72 and 5, no need to cancel out. Then 5 4 is 20 meter per second. And time also given here, t is equal to 10 seconds. Then acceleration, you have to calculate what? Acceleration A is equal to v minus u upon t. It is equal to v 20 and u 10 upon time 10. That is 10 upon 10 is equal to 1 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration. Solution 1 very easy. And then after next one is a train starting from railway station. It means initially at railway station the train is in rest condition. It means u is equal to 0. Attains a speed of 21 meter per second in 1 minute. Then find its acceleration. The solution of problem number 2. You see, very simple case. Given here, what is given? Initially train is in rest, so u is equal to 0 meter per second, and final v is equal to 21 meter per second. also time t is equal to 1 minute and is equal to what? 60 second. Then acceleration A is equal to v minus u upon t. Value of v 21 and u 0 and time 60 here. So 21 upon 60, when we divide 21 by 60, then it is equal to, here 21 is small, so 0 point and 6 is 18, 6 for 24, greater than 21, so 3 and then after 5, 0.35 meter per second square. Solution of 1 and 2, very easy, directly on formula we are applying, then get the results. And then after solution of problem number 3. In 3, what is given? A bus running at a speed of 18 km per hour is stopped in 2.5 seconds. A bus running at a speed of 18 km per hour is stopped in 2.5 seconds by applying brakes. Then calculate the retardation produced. Solution of problem number 3, very easy. Here, initial speed u is equal to 18 km per hour and v is equal to, means it stopped. After applying brake, the bus becomes stops, so v is equal to 0 and time is equal to given 2.5 seconds. 2.5 seconds. Then retardation is equal to v minus u upon t r. When we take minus common here, and then no need to take common retardation value in negative of acceleration. So v is 0 and u 18. Value of 18, that is 5 into 18 upon 18, because 18 whenever convert, then multiplying by 5 by 18, then it become meter per second and time I given 2.5 seconds, so it is equal to minus 5 upon 2.5. It is equal to this becomes retardation in negative sense. 50 upon 25 is equal to minus 2 meter per second square. Here negative value means what? That is the retardation concept. And the last one, solution number 4. Then after this, in solution 4, what is given? Find the initial velocity of a car which is stopped in 10 seconds. Initial velocity you have to calculate, means u have to calculate the value of u and time here given 10 seconds. By applying brakes, then v is equal to 0 and also given what? Retardation, that is A is equal to, retardation means in negative sign, that is minus 2.5 meter per second square. So by definition of retardation, v minus u upon t, A is equal to v minus u upon t. The value of A, that is minus 2.5, is equal to v value, that is 0, and u value you have to calculate, and t here given what? 10. Then minus 2.5 into 10 equal to minus u, so minus minus cancel, and point here cancel by 10, then 25 is equal to u. So initial speed u is equal to what? 25 meter per second. Very simple. Solution of either 3 or 4 or 1 or 2. In each case, only one formula concept is clear. Whenever, then you can solve very easily. And in next lecture, we will solve numerical based on graphical problem. Thank you.